This rider got seriously lucky here. Take a look.
You're stopped.
Okay, I'm stopped.
Alright, so you need a license plate for that.
Okay.
You're driving the roadway.
I didn't know that.
Okay, now you do. Okay. Walk it back.
Capital located suspect is running. We're going to be running west towards the Capitol.
Oh my god.
Talking about luck, this rider wasn't as lucky. The bumps on the road bent his license plate under the tail, and as soon as the cop spotted it, he made a U-turn and went after him.
Oh my god.
Just want to see if you'd stop. Your license plate is a little obstructive.
Oh, is it?
When you hop off the suspension, but once it crushes down, the plate goes like this.
Oh, really?
It's bent down. So when I saw you back there,
Uh-huh.
I honestly didn't even think you had a plate.
Yeah.
So I looped around, I caught up to you, I was like, it looks like he definitely has a plate.
Yeah.
It's all kind of
Okay, I didn't know that. I thought I bent it out enough. I mean, it might have just over time unbent.
With the suspension, it probably means you hit enough bumps.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
You hit enough, and it's probably just bent down.
I can unbend it a little bit more.
Look at it now, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
But like I said, when you're riding and there's weight down, it kind of just pumps in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can try and fix it a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, you might get stopped again. Over time, it's just gonna
Yeah. Yeah.
just maybe every so often, just conscientiously be like, let me try and make it.
Yeah. That's fine.
If not, like I said, try to stop you, maybe. But also, a lot of guys don't appreciate, like I appreciate that you're stopping.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Thank you, man. Have a good one, man. Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh no, guys, we have the police behind us. This is not going well. In there? Alright, perfect. He is pulling us over. We're going to jail, guys. Should I call him Daddy?
Yeah.
Alright. Should we run? No, just kidding. We're not running.
It didn't take long for this rider to get noticed by police, ripping a dirt bike on the street with no plates. But instead of running, he actually pulls over and handles it the right way.
I don't think so.
Alrighty, I'm Officer Costa. We're on the police department. You probably already know why I'm stopping you.
What?
Rear license plate. You don't got one.
Okay, so I went to the DMV and I got it, but
I don't have it.
I have a picture of it. Alright.
Take your driver's license as well, ma'am. Are you guys coming from that place off of, here off Sunrise, that bike club?
Bike club.
I'm just asking because there's like, I think it's a vehicle club more than anything, but a bunch of motorcycle people always gather up there and riding around. Alrighty. So, you probably already know, state of Texas requires that if you're operating a motorcycle, to have a rear license plate. Is this motorcycle registered?
Yeah, it's registered. I was at the DMV Friday, and I'm waiting for the plate bracket for it. Okay. But I took a quick picture of it before I...
You got the license plate, you just...
Yeah, here's a plate for it.
Okay. 12828. You mind just holding it up there so I can make sure the bike's not stolen?
No.
You mind flipping it over like that?
Let me lock it real quick.
The bike is registered to you.
It's registered, insured.
A bracket issue?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Like I literally took a picture of it before I left because I was like just trying to enjoy the weather, you know.
Alrighty. And where are you guys coming from?
Austin.
Alright. You guys just riding around?
Yeah, there was a Harley thing and I had a few buddies riding in like a show there, so go out there, say what up.
Driver's license is good. Obviously, you already know about the license plate.
Yeah.
One thing we tell motorcycle people all the time is, like I said, the only biggest reason people on motorcycles get stopped is number one, because they don't have a rear license plate, or they are doing wheelies on the highway, which you just apply to the no license plates.
Psych!
This is going to be a verbal warning. I'm just going to make sure your license is good, and I'll get you guys going, okay?
Bet, appreciate it.
All right, man. Like I said, the only issue is that license plate. Get that bracket up there, get that plate up there so you don't get stopped. I do appreciate you pulling over immediately.
Yeah, no, I was gonna hit the U-turn, but it said no U-turns, and I didn't know.
Yeah.
I figured I'm already pulled over. Let me not commit another violation.
You know that no license plate in the back.
Yeah, I figure Austin. It's normal. Like, not that I do it, but like I've
Round Rock. We also
y'all seem
had rep of. There's a lot of bikes, especially that area. Like bike clubs will gather up and just do wheelies.
Oh yeah, no, we're just.
So we are we tend to be strict on motorcycles.
Yeah. Were you the one going the other way? Were you going the other way? Did I pass you? Okay, yeah.
My back, and I immediately just saw it.
Yeah, I figured. I saw you go the other way. I'm like, 50-50. Yeah.
It's all good. All right.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it.
Drive safe. Enjoy your day. All right.
Sweet.
You guys take care.
Thanks, Daddy. I had to.
This officer is definitely one of us. The plate fell off just 5 feet before this rider got pulled over.
You know this thing's not really like street legal and all that stuff,
yeah, it is.
right? You know, you
It's 100% street legal.
get out on the road and all that stuff.
Yep.
Private property.
It's 100% street. Oh, there's no. Where the f is my plate?
That's what I'm saying.
A cop goes after this ATV, and usually that means trouble, because most of the time they are not street legal. But this rider actually has it fully registered and road legal. And let's see how this interaction plays out.
How are you? I have a concealed carry.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got a
Everything.
weapons permit?
Yes, sir. I got everything.
First, I need to see your driver's license.
I got title, registrations, and everything for this, sir. This is a registration for the vehicle.
This is a registered vehicle? What in the hell?
How's it going, sir? How are you?
Your lights, you got to turn them on.
Okay.
Not authorized.
I'll just do that so they can see me, you know what I'm saying?
I got you. All right, man, give me a minute.
Yes, sir. You want me to turn them off right now, or?
Yeah. All right, dude, you good?
Yes, sir.
I just never see.
I know, it's rare. It's super rare.
You got big driving such a little machine down the road. You know you got a baby bottle on the front.
It's for the oils. It's the two-stroke, you know what I'm saying? So I can measure it.
Well,
I gotta be measuring.
Heard you putt down the road, and I was like, you got driving this.
Nah, I'm just a big
crazy, man.
I know. I be trying to be cautious and stuff, but.
Where's your transfer?
Oh, right here.
Little tiny light.
Yes, sir. The LED.
It's a CC on it.
350 cc.
That's a fancy.
Oh yeah, I've been recording.
Load on you and go, yeah.
Yeah, so I got my.
Another cop.
Yeah, nah, I don't do it for that, sir. Nah.
Well, I heard you going down, switching gears, and I was like,
yeah, cause you gotta.
Thing sounds like it's going. Blow up.
Nah, it's a two-stroke, so I gotta every time you downshift, you wanna like clear it out. You know what I'm saying?
All right, man.
But yes, sir. Nah, I appreciate you. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. All right. Take care.
Say it again.
Get the out of here. You can't park. You're parking from a hydrant on the sidewalk.
What's wrong with you? I think that's okay.
You're supposed to move your parking spots, and then there's no rights, no lefts.
Oh,
Your license?
you should play there. Yeah. What? Ah, that's good job. That's it. Yeah.
Não se me lade assim, uau, puxa. Olha. Olha como se lá.
Hey.
I've said it many times, if you don't want to get pulled over all the time, don't mess with your stock license plate bracket. It's made to meet all the requirements for a reason. And even if you get stopped, most officers will just give you a warning. But this situation is different. This officer is not like many others.
Oh, the reason I pulled you over, I can't see your tag. It's not plainly visible, man. Can't what?
You can't see it?
Can't see it. It's not plainly visible. So it's bent down like that. It's not made to be like that. Your license on you? That might count. That might was factory?
Oh, no.
No, right.
You said it.
It's not plainly visible.
All right.
Have you been stopped before for that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've been working on getting another mount, but those things are way more expensive than you think.
Mount is?
Yeah.
Where's the mount that came on the bike? That's supposed to be right below the brake lights.
That's a great question.
Gotcha. All right, Max, I'll be right back.
Oh my God. Can't see my license plate. Sure.
Come see it on your bike.
Oh, this weird.
How long have you had your motorcycle license? 2 weeks?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
You want to keep it?
Yes.
I won't be riding like that. You're going over 60, change your lanes several times while using turn signal. So the only thing we'll write you on is for your improper display of license plate. Not revving your engine like that, not using your turn signal, speeding. You want to contest it, come to court on May 7th, 2026 at 2 p.m. Downtown Hiram. All right? Sign right there, it's not been a guilt, just saying you have receipt citation and I'll citation to you. Any questions about that?
No.
Get your license back?
Yeah.
All right, good luck to you.
Thanks for keeping the crime rate low, buddy. I really appreciate it.
Click here to see the next Police vs. Bikers episode. It might be even crazier than this one. Like, comment, and don't miss what happens next.